Hello guys, welcome to Geeks. Today we have to learn that how you can get auto serial numbers after applying filters in MS Excel. You know it's very serious and common problem that you can't get auto serial numbers after applying filters in Excel sheets. Suppose I have an Excel sheet. First I will apply serial number 1, 2. Now the sheet has serial number accordingly. Now if I want to apply the filter like gender, male, now these are the male participants, I can't get serial number accordingly 1, 2, 3 and further 4, 5. Now 4 then 5 missing. For this purpose, to sort out this problem, I will deselect filter. Now this is our actual sheet. First select the serial number 1. Then type equal sign for formula. Then we have subtotal formula. Subtotal. Select subtotal or you can type. Then select count A 3. Now I have 3 count A, then comma, then select the first name column, exact address of this cell, that is B3. You can select or type B3, then colon, again B3, bracket close. Now first B3 should be B3 not. For this purpose you should select B3, then press F4, function key F4. Now this one is B3 not. The formula is subtotal, then count A3, then B3 not, the address of this cell which is highlighted, then colon, then B3, bracket close. Now press enter. Successfully applied. Select this one to end of sheet. Now apply it successfully. After that, now you can verify by applying multiple filters. First I will apply to female. Now the sheet has been sorted with 1, 2, 3. Easily you can get this type of sheet. Suppose I want to apply some sort of occupations. I will filter accountant and baker. Now I have exactly the sort out serial numbers. Now this is a formula which I will show you in subtotal. B3 not to B3, and for B3 not you have to press F4. Thanks guys for watching. Please like our channel video and subscribe our channel also. Thanks guys.